Are you looking for the right AI tool? Today we're comparing Arcad's AI and Spell to help you pick the winner. Arcad's AI makes videos fast, you type a script, pick from over 300 AI actors, and boom, you get a talking video. These actors look real because they're based on actual people. They're perfect for making TikTok ads or Facebook videos without hiring anyone. You can test tons of different versions at once, and the catch? It starts at $110 a month, and you need other tools to edit your videos. There is no free trial either. Spell is totally different. It's not about videos at all. Spell gives you AI agents that do tasks for you. You need blog posts, market research, and essay. Just tell the AI what you want, and it has over 100 plugins and can run multiple jobs at the same time. There's a huge library of ready-made prompts to get you started. Plans start at just $9 a month, and it's way cheaper than Arcad's. So, which one wins? Well, they do completely different things. Arcads is for video ads only, and if you're running paid ads on social media and need endless content, Arcads is your pick, but you'll pay more and still need editing software. Spell is for everything else. It's for writing, it's for research, planning, automation. It's cheaper and handles way more tasks, but it won't make videos for you. Think about your real goals. Are you running an online store? Well, then Arcads helps you test different video angles. Are you building content or doing research? Then Spell creates it faster. Bottom line, choose Arcads if you need video ads for marketing, choose Spell if you want an AI assistant for daily tasks. They're both winners in their own lane. Pick based on what you actually need to do. That's it. Hit subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.